Hi friends, welcome to Tech Postman. Today I'm going to show you the must-have gadgets in your car to make your car smart. This is an external TPMS from Steelmate. I have been using it from past 6 years or so and it's really working fantastic. This not only shows you the air pressure but it also shows the air temperature inside the tire. So very handy for long drives. This is the box of the Steelmate external TPMS which I have installed in my car. These are the external sensors which it comes with and you can fit it pretty easily but by just screwing it on the air wall. Just like this. This is a mobile car stand with wireless functionality. This is the next one which I have is the Cubo Smart Cam with GPS. So it is basically a dash cam and it also tracks the GPS. So I have been using it from past 3 months and this is a really nice device. This is the box in which it was packed. Very nicely packed and it is by Hero Group. The next one which I have is this Belkin's DC to AC adapter. Using this you can charge your laptops or any other device which has a 2 or 3 pin plug. And this becomes very handy if you're going on a long drive or even if you're commuting from your office and coming back. Especially this can be useful for your day-to-day work. And this one is a tire inflator from Rescue Tech. Very powerful and very handy. If you are going on long drives and just in case your tire is punctured, you can fill the air and then just go to the next nearest available petrol pump and get your tire repaired. So I would say these are definitely the must-have devices you should have in your car, and this will definitely help you whenever you're on long drives especially. Thanks for watching my channel and please do subscribe if you have liked my video. You also please like my video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.